UK to launch short-term visa scheme for EU workers. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for our upcoming videos. The UK government is considering a groundbreaking short-term visa program to alleviate the labour shortages in the hospitality sector, brought about by Brexit and the pandemic. The proposed initiative aims to bring foreign workers into the country without affecting population rates. The United Kingdom is contemplating the implementation of a short-term visa initiative aimed at alleviating the acute labour shortages within its hospitality sector. The proposed program aims to welcome foreign workers into the country without significantly impacting population rates. This move comes as a response to the challenges posed by Brexit, the ongoing pandemic, and economic fluctuations that have collectively strained the UK's hospitality industry. Youth mobility schemes in focus. Recent reports by The Times reveal that the UK's Home Office has embarked on discussions with various European Union member states to establish youth mobility schemes. These initiatives seek to facilitate the entry of young individuals aged between 18 and 30 to work within the UK for a span of up to 2 years. Notably, this proposal stands out by not mandating sponsorship from an employer, while also offering exemptions from the skill and salary requisites that are presently obligatory under the skilled worker route. Impact on hospitality sector. The potential implementation of this visa scheme could prove to be a lifeline for the beleaguered UK hospitality industry. The sector has faced a series of setbacks, including the ramifications of Brexit, the ongoing pandemic, and economic uncertainties. Historically, the hospitality industry has heavily relied on European Union workers to fill key positions, such as waiters, baristas, and housekeepers. However, the altered immigration landscape post-Brexit has curtailed the influx of workers, leading to considerable vacancies in these roles. Addressing looming shortages. The proposed visa program emerges as a strategic solution to the prevailing staff shortages in the UK hospitality sector. The industry has witnessed a decline in job vacancies over the past year, further exacerbating the challenges it faces. UK Hospitality, a prominent trade body representing the sector, estimates that the current job vacancies are approximately 48% higher than pre-pandemic levels. Raphael Herzog, chair of the Bristol Hoteliers Association, BHA, expressed his support for the prospective visa scheme. He emphasized that such an initiative could play a pivotal role in replenishing the sector's workforce, thus aiding its recovery. Herzog further suggested that the program should extend its coverage beyond the EU, potentially encompassing countries like India. He also advocated for the inclusion of a broader range of roles facing shortages, including chefs, therapists, and room attendants. Comparative insights. In parallel, a comparison can be drawn with the situation of UK workers in other countries, such as Switzerland. This nationality boasts a significant presence in managerial roles within Switzerland, with approximately 44.3% of individuals of UK origin occupying higher qualified positions. Final words. In conclusion, the UK government's deliberations on the short-term visa program reflect a proactive approach to mitigating the labour shortages afflicting the hospitality sector. By facilitating the entry of young foreign workers, the proposed scheme could invigorate the industry, helping it rebound from the multifaceted challenges it has faced. As discussions progress, the potential extension of the program's reach to non-EU countries and its expansion to encompass a wider array of roles remain topics of interest and anticipation. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please subscribe our channel and share this video.